Today I'm going to review this handheld wireless vacuum. So this is the package. Package look like this, and this one you can use to put the whole thing mounted on the wall. Those are some accessories, and also here accessories, and this is the charger, and I already install it like this, and let's see how it works. I put some rice here. Let's see if it is good. So it's already clean, and this one actually have 2 levels. So if you press this one time, first level, and then you press again, got stronger level. And so here we have a button. So if we press that button, the whole part will be released. And here we got this button right here, the red one. You can open the dust bin, and you can clean the dust. So this is actually pretty good. Like hair and furs are lightweight, but the rice are pretty heavy weight. So if this one can pick up those rice, they can pick up other things very effectively.
Hello, this is a stick cordless vacuum cleaner, and in this vacuum cleaner I got it a few days ago, and I've been using it to clean up my house. It comes with this handle over here. It has the rod going down and the vacuum cleaner itself. It comes with a few different nozzles. There's the big one that I use, there's a smaller one over here, and there's one that you can use with just the main unit itself without the stick. You can remove the metal tube from the actual cleaner, and you can get smaller spaces with that. So when you turn it on, it automatically goes to low power. And you can make it go to higher power. And when you're done, you can just turn it off, just like that.